Mom found a marshy spot. Hello and welcome to another version of Walking with My Ma. Today we're walking on a beach. It's near Kitsilano, near the dog park in Vancouver. My mom just walked in a big puddle. We found some mushy stuff. Hopefully you'll enjoy this walk. Please like and subscribe. Also, at any point in time, if you see something interesting, you can pause the screen. And when you pause it, you can still look around. Give it a try. Wasn't that neat? Welcome back. All right, so now that you know that, let's go for our little walk. As you can see, Ma's already plowing through this. Now you better turn towards the water, Ma. It's gonna get worse. Which way would you like to go?
Let's start this way. What do you say?
It's up to you.
Okay, let's do it.
Nope, you're taking a picture?
Yep, I'm gonna do it. Fog with nothing's on.
So that way is the dog park.
Okay.
That's the dog park area. You're back up onto more solid footing. Okay. Not much to see down here.
Okay, let's go back the other way then. There's more to see. Right?
More water. You get into the shade and it's cold. Going back that way.
Good and wet?
If we kept on going, we would have been in the shade and in the cold.
That's not good. This way's better.
Happy puppies.
Every shape and size.
Yep.
There's some homes on there. Is that north van?
Yeah, we can head closer to the water.
Is that north van over there?
That's west van. Right across from us is west.
Yeah.
North is on further that way.
Oh, okay.
But that's
Lots of houses on the hills.
oh yeah.
But they can't see the mountains.
Nope. Tried that once. Thought I'd get a house on the mountain. Realized I couldn't see the mountain. So I said, nope, not doing that. I want to see them.
And
Yeah.
It was cute though, guys.
So handsome.
Look at them play. You all good?
Good.
Okay. I'm gonna pick up the pace and start running?
No.
Okay. Good. I don't think I can keep up.
Just fine.
Is this where the Disneyland get together is?
I thought
I'm surprised there hasn't been a dog. Yep.
hello, buddy.
You're a sad sack little pup.
Buddy over here.
Mm-hmm.
This is an old camera shot.
Yep, it seems like it. This is exciting. It's riveting. The drama, the suspense, the cliffhangers.
There's the cliff. I don't see any hangers.
Well, if you want to.
I don't want to be a hanger. For a couple of months and we'll have leaves on those trees.
Yep. This is winter in Vancouver.
What kind of bird is sitting up in that tree, do you think?
Eagle?
Is that an eagle?
Yep, that's an eagle.
That's pretty cool.
That's a bold one. You laugh, but it is.
Very cool.
Can you find the bald eagle? We're not going to tell you where he is.
You cheated.
I did not. He's a big one too. He's a really big one.
He's a beauty. People taking pictures.
Yep. Are you going to do that?
I'm going to try, but I don't think my Zoom will even get close. Just sitting up there.
Yeah.
looking at everybody.
Hold on, what are you guys trying to do?
Look at this tree's already got buds on it. Very cool. Look at that.
Oh my, it's so cold. You were biting me. I don't want to stop
Alright, I'm going to try and get a picture from here.
You'd probably be better over here, Ma.
Well, the ones near Vanier Park? Yes, the nest at Vanier Park. They evolved
Right where I'm standing, there's no branches in his face or anything.
Okay.
Picture of
Really
my
hard to see.
phone camera. That's all you charge is a quarter? Yeah. I don't think the pole will go that high, Mom. What do you think? Shall we try?
Oh, you're almost there.
Bye, guys. Are you any closer up there? Can you see them better? How's the view from way up there?
Hello. Go away.
How far much farther would you like to go?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? What sort of answer is that?
Well, if I walk so far I'm too tired, then you can go back and get the car and pick me
Well,
up.
hold on. What about me walking to? You walking until I told you what? I have to drag my butt all the way back to the car because you walked too far?
Maybe I have to go back and get the car.
Yeah, that's more like it. Jeez.
The beach is so pretty
Then why aren't we walking on it?
because it's too hard to look ahead. It's sure is pretty here the way. Ooh, I almost got in the way.
Yep. And that's a crow. Bye-bye, crow. I thought crows weren't scared of people.
Well, sometimes they are. You get too.
Oh.
Remember that crow that attacked you?
Yeah. Crows are evil.
Birds.
Don't swear at me.
Which word is the swear word? A bird.
Well, there you go, just filthy, filthy. Of course, you know I'm just gonna put bleeps in here.
That was bad. You make me sound like I really and your mom don't there. Oh, that's pretty. That's a good picture.
Well, why don't you come out here to get the picture? There you go.
Beautiful.
I think on that note,
The return.
we shall end the video. So thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to,
Sitting out there.
oh my goodness, I'm right in the middle of the ending and you now want to introduce birds.
Yeah, look at them.
Yeah, look at the birds out
Are
there.
they sitting on the logs?
I'm not too sure what that is all out there.
Ooh. Sorry, finish your video.
I don't know what that is.
Let's see if I can see it on here.
Is it a bunch of birds together? Or
Yeah.
a bunch of seagulls with them? If they are, then they're fighting the wind. I don't know what's going on out there.
Wow,
Anyway,
they're sitting on logs.
this is Vancouver during the winter. It's, as you can see, it's terrible. The weather is awful. You know, we have to dress up and everything, so you know, I stay away from here. It's terrible weather. You have, you know, snow everywhere from a distance.
In the distance.
Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, we will continue with this saga of walking with my ma.
And the crows and the seagulls and the pigeons.
And we'll
eagle.
probably end up at where is that? Granville Island, right?
That'd be alright for supper.
Anyway, check us out later. Thanks for watching. Bye. What, you still watching? Why are they still watching?
Because I'm waving.
Oh. Can she stop waving now? That would be good. What? Just walked away.